It is almost 10 o'clock at night. We're in Ackworth, Georgia. Can you see the woman in the bunny suit? That's the owner of this cockatoo. It is cold outside and windy. Norma's headed up the tree. I'm in a warm car, shooting video from the window. There he goes. Hopefully this cockatoo will come to him. Norma's having the bunny assist. She says the bunny suit keeps her warm. Guess it does. I can barely see Norma. Ooh, I hear the bird. It's flying, it flew down, it flew down. We got the bird. Where's his little head?
Oh, he's over here.
Don't let it get away. And there's the cockatoo. Happy owner. Successful.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Good work, everybody.